Top media outlets continue to publish forecasts suggesting a slowdown in the world economy and an inevitable recession in some of the world's largest economies. Thus, Brent crude oil futures are approaching the local low, which indicates the prevailing bearish mood among market participants. If the price fixes below the level of 77, the downtrend will continue. Alternatively, the benchmark may bounce off the 77 mark and recoup some losses. Vladimir Putin's visit to Saudi Arabia is also in the spotlight. The officials are expected to discuss the situation in the oil market. It's unlikely that any statements and comments will follow immediately. However, there may be rumors of a new agreement between Moscow and Riyadh to extend the voluntary oil production cuts. Such rumors will probably abound in case of a further decline in oil prices. After all, Russia and Saudi Arabia are interested in higher prices and will take advantage of their position as the largest suppliers to influence the market. Although the dollar continues to rise, gold has so far remained relatively stable. It's still trading at around $2,030 per ounce. Given that the most likely scenario for today suggests a rebound in the currency market, gold may well climb just above this level. However, this effect is likely to be temporary. After all, the monetary policies of the major central banks, whose next meetings are just around the corner, are much more important for gold. Thus, the market situation will probably remain unchanged until the middle of next week. In Russia, the market is trying to show its disagreement with the Bank of Russia's policy. Yesterday, after the regulator mentioned the need for further policy tightening, the ruble gained a strong downside momentum. While the Bank of Russia prioritizes its fight against inflation, large investors point to the devastating effect of the high interest rates on the economy. As long as there is no mutual understanding between the central bank and business, the Russian currency is more likely to lose ground. According to the chart, the dollar-ruble pair continues to recover from early losses. The quote has already added 6%, reaching the mark of 93 rubles. However, market sentiment may change in case the price consolidates above 95 rubles. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.